So the first question is really around your career background and your career journey and leadership evolution. So really take us back to a moment in your career where you realized your path was going to be a bigger than just being strong technically. What was happening? What did you start seeing differently about your leadership?
Yeah, Rob, Dwayne, thank you for having me. I appreciate it. It's an honor to sit here and talk to you. I'm happy for this discussion and looking forward to it. So pretty much my career, like you mentioned, has been kind of through multiple industries, from aerospace to consulting, now to logistics at Amazon. Your question about where I noticed my career being more than technical really jumped in and really started off when I was at GE Aerospace, right? So it is great to be technical inclined and have the knowledge and with the concept and the depth of process. But my first role as a cell leader, supervisor role, I was faced with having to solve multiple manufacturing issues with my teammates on the floor, and we were dealing with multiple discrepancies on the print and how the supplier were reading the print and making the parts for us, right? So we have multiple non-conformance and multiple rework. And it was evident to me that while the drawing might be right, if the operators are not reading it appropriately or understanding it or having conversation or just sitting on the shop floor with the engineer, there's a disconnect, right? So I learned immediately that, hey, you got to be able to understand how to bridge the gap. How do you talk to operation, members on the floor? How you talk to engineers to understand what they see on the floor? How you bridge that gap? So once I understand that, hey, the problem might not be the blueprint, the drawing, or the technical piece of it. It might just be operational side, or vice versa. I was able to start to get the team to have that connection with each other, to understand that, hey, the problem we see is not on the one side or the other side, but understanding how operation team can read the prints, understand the prints, and make it functional and make it operationable. That's when we start to see that to be a good leader, you have to understand both sides of the fence, understand the technical side and also the people side. Ever since that, I've been doing it, and I've been seeing much success in that approach. Right.